October 31st, 9:15 a.m. market open, positive start. Yesterday a buy call generated at the closing time of market, 2:35, a buy call generated, and 43,218 entry point. First target is 326, more than a 100-point target. At the closing time of 3:30, it closed near first target range. Like this, it will automatically generate buy sell calls in this chart. Coming back to today, it's October 31st, Tuesday market, 9:15 a.m. and market is started to moving in the downside direction. After 10 o'clock, a sudden downside direction during a breakout happened. So sell call generated, red color candle open. Like this, whenever market trend changes, you will get calls like a signal. So now a sell call generated, red color candle, red signal is showing. That straight white line from red color candle, that is our entry point line. Sell at 43,212. Below red color lines are first target, second target range. Above line is the stop loss line. First target is 43,104, more than a 100-point target. Like this daily basis, automatically you will receive calls like a signal in this chart. If you want this chart means for a chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the subscription detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. After 10:30, a good momentum. During this time, market breakout 43,122. It's a 90-point downside momentum in first 20 minutes of sell call generated. After some time, market successfully break out the first target range. Like this, today sell call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.